Hi. Today I'm just gonna talk about what I learned today. Um, the basically what I'm trying to do is making my own design system, but I already complete the making my own design system. It's not really not design system. I made my own UI library, but that's not fully design system. I mean, what do you mean it's not fully design system? It means there should be tokens, or there should be some kind of rules of the tokens. There should be some kind of data of the tokens, but I wasn't able to make the data using YML. I had no time for that. So, but after that, what I realized, what I really realized was, um, hold on, realized was making UI library is simple. It's really simple, but the thing is that you have to use it. Okay, so but the thing is that this package is private. You can publish into private, but you have to pay. Private package, you need to pay. But the thing, what I really worried about is, example, really popular CDN for the JavaScript module. It's just like exporting JavaScript module, but for the CDN purposes, of course, of it. And like ESM SH, like popular CDN for the JS module. And the thing is that it requires public package. So there's bad things happens. If you're using ESM SH, it will eventually ask you to use your npm into public. It should be, but there's another way. I'm using ESMH is gonna be good. Making your own CDN using AWS or whatever, and make it into some kind of export it into some kind of doing it. But you really have to know that even like for the JS module, even making CDN is really kind of there should be like configuration of it. It's gonna take some time, but also for the just exporting JS module is kind of a waste of time for me. But what do you waste of time? Because I'm trying to make a web service, but I don't have time for the like configuring a JS module of it. I can just use the ESM SH, so which is better because it also bundles it for my library. So, but the thing is that, so we're not gonna make our own CDN, but we can use AES but we can use the private package of it. But you cannot but you said you have to use npm public, right? But the thing is that you can configure ESMH rather than rely on the ESMH CDN. You can clone it. You can self-host ESMH using Cloudflare. Flare, whatever CDN. But there's one problem. It is private package. The npm, our UI library is still private package, and you're gonna cost some money of it. If it is startup, it's okay. It's not really big. But if it's like kind of enterprise, it's really big. The costs are really huge. So what do we have to do then? We can use npm registry thing. So basically, I really don't know about npm registry. There's like, I forgot the word of it. Like JFrog. No, I have to JFrog. Let's JFrog. So it's just like, yeah. Okay, let's wait for that. Yeah, it just. So what I understand, like JSFrog is, it can works as real package manager, but it rather than rely on the npm and host on the npm cloud and publish in the npm cloud and using as a private costs money. But if you're trying to use this some kind of your own npm registry, you're not gonna cost like that much of it. So we can reduce the cost of it, because when you're trying to use npm, when you're trying to install the private npm, private package in the npm, it uses cloud thing, and I think that's gonna be cost of it. But npm registry is it just your own your package manager. I think manager, not package manager. It's like package manager server thing. But I'm not sure about this. Yeah. So this is really hard for me because I've never done this before. So I already done making a real library. So next I'm just gonna do is use just do the JSFrog. Just do the JSFrog and make it into npm registry. And after that, after configuring the npm registry, use self host ESMSH and run as a Cloudflare. The reason why it's gonna be work because after that we're able to make some kind of link, but only for our JS module. Example button component, but only with a link. So after making it, it's gonna be saved. It's gonna be a private link. We have to configure it, but it's gonna be a private link, and we can also. Our purpose of it is link into Framer design tool, because our tool is make a design system and using Code Connect like the Figma, right? So after that, it's done. Actually, it's not done. So after making it, we have to make Google the extension of it, and we have to check is extension is gonna be working or not. I think making extension is very simple because we can just put the hash value on some kind of component of it. So that will be really easy to make extensions because I mean it's gonna be really easy. Because extension, I don't know about extension thing, but still though, I think it's gonna be worth it to do it. So I think my plan tomorrow is to make to do the setup for the package management thing, because even not only for the design system, I have to make it for my startup company because I'm gonna start a business. So I think this is gonna be really good because that's gonna be reduce the cost of the money. So this is it. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.